Warning, this will not work on Bedrock Edition. This will only work on Java Edition. Hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel, and as you can see in front of us we have a T-FlipFlop. Right now it's triggered on, so if we press the button again, it turns off. This basically makes the button turn into a lever. So the reason this happens is because when you press this button, a repeater is going to activate this, which it's going to go through the block and down to there where it's going to activate the piston. But the piston is going to push the block out of the way so it will not have a signal, and that is like in 1 second. As you can see, it's almost instant. And so then this repeater will then give a 1 tick, or near enough 1 tick thing. So it's going to be like an observer. It's going to be instant. Look how fast that is. That is because it is giving near enough a 1 tick thing, and 20 ticks is 1 second. So that's happening. Then it's going to go to this piston, and there's this weird bug. I'm not even sure if it's a bug. Where if you activate even a sticky piston, just for a split second, there we go, I got it first try there, it will leave the block it has behind. Oh. Well, it will leave the block it has behind. So, that is what we're focusing on here. So it'll leave the redstone block behind, which will keep the redstone on. And then when you trigger it again, it'll go back, and it'll keep doing that. So because this is near enough a 1 tick, it will go like that. It'll be on, and then it'll suddenly be back when you click it again. So that's how a T-FlipFlop works. And yeah, this can be used in a number of cases. Okay, so it's actually used for memory, so people input signals into it and that stores the memory. There is other designs as well, like more compact ones, like... Okay, honestly, that's the only design I've ever learned, so... But yeah, oh, and if you're thinking just to make it more compact, I can just do this. Oh, I can just do this, and then have the redstone there leading down. Well, that's not actually true, because what happens is because the piston, because of quasi-connectivity, if I place that there, it's not going to do anything. When I update it, it's going to reach out because it realizes that the block's there. Well, basically, it doesn't work when it's going upwards. As you can see, it remains there, and then when you do it again, it doesn't do anything. So you can't do it upwards. You can go downwards, but you can't go upwards, and you can go to the sides. Okay, so enough talking. Let's get on to the actual thing. So I'm just going to grab a sign. Same. So what you want to do is place a button like this. This is going to be the input. Next, we're going to place a repeater, dig 1 block down, and place a piston on top of that. Next, place any block. I'm using black concrete in this because I just had it handy there. So we're going to use that. Then we are going to place a repeater down again. And next, we are going to place a piston here and a redstone block there. And we're going to link this down and add a lamp. And that's it. Everything is ready. I'm just going to block. And you should see that the light will turn on. Look at that. That was a T-FlipFlop, and I'll see you in the next video. Credit to my best friends, Jack, Unknown, and Sean. Also, they like trains. Wait, what is that? Ah!